Janna! Hi, Janna! 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 I am Janna, and it's my third day here in Mamala house. And I am a stray cat, and I was abandoned by my owner. And I love to stay in the street, and I almost hit by a car, but luckily Mamala took me home. I had a lot of rashes, tick and flies, and can you see that? I used to be pretty before, but unfortunately, my previous owner left me. I'm so dirty and a lot of hair in my body. But Papa Dan trimmed my hair, and Mamala put some coconut oil with lemon in my body. See? I'm asking everyone, guys, please don't abandon dogs. If you can feed, please find another home for your dogs. Oh no, baby. I'm Janna, and I'm stray dog before, but not really stray dog. Hi, 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 baby. Hi, hi, hi. I'm Janna. Hi, hi, baby. Look, mommy, Janna. Hi, hi. Janna, Janna. Okay.